Good morning, children. So look at the heading given here. The heading is conversion from milliliter to liter. So we all know, children, liquid are measured in liter and milliliter. So if you have measured a liquid in milliliter, so how you will write it in liter? We are going to read this. Okay, children, and we are going to learn this. And this method you have to apply. I will send you the video of 2 or 3 methods. So this is method number 1. I am going to explain method number 1, how you will convert milliliter to liter. So let us take some of the example like 3125 milliliter. Okay, children. So how you will convert this milliliter into liter? So very simple, children. As we all know, 1000 ml equal to 1 liter. So just to convert into from milliliter to liter, children, you have to divide it by 1000. Okay, children, you have to divide by 1000. Okay, children. Now just start dividing at some other places, like in rough places. 3125 divided by 1000. Okay, children. So now go for 1000 table. 1000 1 ja 1000, 1000 2 ja 2000, 1000 3 ja 3000. So here just write 3000. Now you will just start subtracting. 5 minus 0 5, 2 minus 0 2, 1 minus 0 1, 3 minus 3, just striking out it. 3 minus 3, that is 0. We are striking it. Okay. So when you divide 3125 by 1000, you this is your quotient. Quotient is 3 and remainder is 125. Okay, children. Now further dividing is not possible, children, because here it is only 125 and here it is 1000, which is bigger. So dividing further is not possible. So how you will write this here? Look at here. These three comes in place of liter. So you just write quotient will be written as liter plus remainder will comes in form of milliliter. Remainder will always come in form of milliliter. Okay, children. Now what you will do? Children, we have to convert in liter. Still we are having this part as a milliliter. So what we have to do? We have to do again, we have to divide this by 1000. Okay, children. Now this become in liter. And now how you will write in short form? These three is completely liter, so write this as a whole, 3 whole, and this is as a fraction, so fraction is written as 125 by 1000, and this completely as liter. This is your answer. Okay, children. Now let us take some another example, children, like 2100, 2150 ml. Okay, children. So what you will do? Convert into liter. Same step. You have to go. You have to divide by 1000. You have to divide by 1000 and divide it some another places. 1000. So 1000 2 ja 2000. After subtracting, you will get 150. Okay, children. Now write it here. This 2 quotient is written as in liter, so it becomes 2 liter. And now plus this remainder is written in milliliter, 150 ml. Now in next step, you just divide this 150 divided by 1000 so that it may becomes in liter. And now you write 2 as a whole, and this fraction will be written as 150 divided by 1000 liter. This is your answer, children. Okay, I suppose you all will get now. Okay, children. Now let us take one more example in this method. Example number third. Example number third. Now you have 725 ml. How you will convert this into liter? Same step you will follow. 725 divided by 1000. Okay, children. Now, as you all know, 725 is less than 1000. Okay, children. Means you have 725 toffee and you have to distribute in 1000 children. So children, you have to give the toffee by breaking it, not as a whole. So this division is not possible in class 4. In class 5, whenever we will solve decimal, then we will move further. But in 4th class, this division is not possible because 725 is less than. Division is possible whenever, like this, 3125 is greater than 1000. That is why division is possible. But here, 725 is less than 1000 means you have to break the toffee. You have 725 toffee and here is 1000 children, so it is not possible to give as a whole. That is why division is not possible. You just write here 725 divided by 1000 liter. This is your answer. Okay, children. Whenever division is not possible, leave it as it is. No need to give division. Okay, children. Now let us take one more example like 5125 ml. Okay, children. Now convert this into liter. What will you will do? Just write 5125 divided by 1000. Now look at children. 5000 is greater than 1000, so division is possible. You may divide it. Okay, children. You may divide it. 5125 divided 1000. 1000 5 ja 5000. Now subtract, here you will get 125. Now this quotient comes in form of liter, so you will write 5 liter plus this remainder comes in form of milliliter, 125 milliliter. Now converting this milliliter into liter, what you will do children? You just have to write here divided by 1000. Every steps is same. Now it is becoming in liter. Now what you will do? Write 5 as a whole and this fraction will be written as 125 divided by 1000 liter. Now this is your complete answer. Look at children, all 4 questions are being solved in the same manner. So likewise you have to go and convert from milliliter to liter. Okay children, now I think this method is clear to you. Okay, another method. Okay children, now I am going to discuss method second. I am going to discuss method second. Okay children, so same problem, I am considering the same problem, 3125 ml. How you will convert? So in previous method, I know that I have to divide by 1000. So still we have to divide by 1000. But now I am going to change the trick. What we have to do children? Look at here. Here it is 30. How many zeros? 30. So you just start counting 3 digits from left. Here you have to start counting 1, 2, 3 and put decimal means point after 3 digit from left. So what you will get? 3.125 liter. This is your short answer. This is your answer. So by using this method, you may also convert milliliter to liter. This is very small and effective method children. So what was my another question? Like you have to convert this into liter. First of all, write. This step is very much important children. After that you have to write. Look at here. Here is 30. So you just count 3 digits from left. 1, 2, 3 and put point after 3. 5.125 liter. This is your answer. So this answer I am writing in decimal. But children, decimal is been studied in class 5. That is why in previous method I ignore this decimal method. But you may write this method also. Okay children. Now let us suppose another example, 529 ml. So first of all you have to write 529 divided by 1000. Now here is 30. Count 3 from left. 1, 2, 3 and put point after 3. So what you will get? 0.529 liter. This is your answer. Okay, children. Now, question number 4 I am taking. 29 ml. Let us suppose, children, you having 29 ml and you have to convert it into liter. What you will do, children? You just first of all write this step. After that, count 3 digit, because here is 30, 3 digit from left. 1, 2. Now, children, see here. 1, 2. You are not having 3 digits. So what you will do, children? You are not having 3 digits. But we have to put point after 3 digits. So you just give 1 0 from yourself. 1 0 at the left from yourself and then put point here. Okay, children. Now this liter. This is your answer. Now look at here. Decimal is after 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. So whenever you are not having any digit, you just put 0. Okay, children. Let us take one more example. Example 5. Let us suppose 9 ml. You have to convert 9 ml into liter. What you will do? 9 divided by 1000. Now what you will do, children? You have to count 3 digits from left. 1. Oh, only 1. Now what we will do, children? But we have to give point after 3 digits. So what you will do, children? We have to give 2 0 at the left now, children, and then you have to put point 1 2 3. Now it is 1 2 3 and this is your liter. This is your answer. Okay, children. Now question number 6. Let us suppose 90 ml. You have to convert into liter. First of all, write like this. Then what you have to do? Count 3 digits from left. 1, 2. Oh, where is 3? 3 digit is not available. So you have to give 1 digit 0 from your side so that it becomes 1, 2, 3 and then put point. It becomes 0.090 liter. This is your answer. Okay, children. Let us take one more example like 900 ml. How you will convert? First of all, write 900 divided by 1000. Now count 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 3 counted and put point after that. So 0.900 liter. This is your answer. Now I think all of you have got how to convert milliliter to liter.